Let's learn how to create animated videos using Canva for free. If you want to know how to create animated videos using Canva for free, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. First, open the Canva design for a video of a custom size. Go to the Elements tab and search for any background such as landscape. Next, add the elements to your design as a background. Then, add other elements for demonstration. I searched clouds. Adjust the clouds and click the animate button at the top. Select the animation and move the element to create animation. Now, do the same to animate other images and choose the movement style. In the right side menu, there are more options to edit your design. You can add walking graphics to the design. For demonstration, I added the walking element. Now, play the video to ensure the smooth movement of graphics. After creating the design, click the share button and go to downloads. Next, select the file type to the MP4 video option. Click download and it will be saved to your device. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.